الحضور الكريم، أهلا بكم من جديد. أتمنى أن تكونوا مستمتعون معنا وأن تكونوا مستمتعون بالعشاء، والحفل بالطبع مع شركة فولفو مستمر.
First, I'd like to present the Executive Vice President of the Volvo Group, Mr. Peter Karlsten, and also our Senior Vice President of the Volvo Group, Mr. Dominic Poulien, responsible for Africa and Middle East markets.
Je tiens à vous remercier d'avoir fait le voyage jusqu'à Abu Dhabi. Ça a été pour certains d'entre vous un grand voyage.
I would say this is the biggest truck launch that's ever been done here in the Middle East. A truly memorable event and something that we are really happy to share with you. We look forward, of course, to be here to discover these new trucks together with you tonight and also tomorrow.
These trucks are perfect for a huge number of transportation tasks, such as city and regional distribution or refuse operations. The new Volvo trucks, together with a comprehensive range of service offerings, all together add up to an outstanding transport solution for our customers.
Across the Africa and Middle East region, we are fortunate to be working with a network of extremely strong and experienced professional partners. And to be closer to our customer, we have decided to relocate or delocate our business team in the market with regional offices in Dubai and in Maghreb.
My name is Jonas Soderman, and I work as a business manager for the construction segment at Volvo Trucks Sales. So here we have the D13 engine that we would find in 3 of our new products, the new FM, the new FH, and also the new FMX. It comes in horsepower levels ranging from 400 up to 520 horsepower. Very fuel efficient engine with great drivability, a lot thanks to maximum engine torque being available at very low revs. Here we have the new Volvo FMX. This is the most robust truck that we have ever built so far.
It was like driving any ordinary car, but it's a commercial and a heavy one. Overall, the experience has been extremely nice, and we are going to go back and with very, very fond memories of Volvo trucks.